Are your photos looking dull and yellow, like this one? Discover how to transform them with just one click and give your images a bright, natural glow. Hey everyone! After you take your photos, especially when your images include white, you'll notice that the whites turn yellow instead of appearing natural. You're in the right place. Whether you're a photographer or just someone who isn't sure how to edit photos, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to use selective color correction to remove yellow casts and achieve a more balanced, natural look in your photos using RawTherapee, all for free. If you haven't downloaded RawTherapee yet, check out the official link in the description or comments below. Once you've installed it, come back and let's get started together. Open your image in RawTherapee and let's dive in. On the tools bar at the top, click on this icon or press W as a keyboard shortcut. Then click on any white area in your image until it converts to pure white, like this. We can compare the original image with the one after correcting the white balance. We can see the difference between the original photo and the corrected version, showing how white appeared before and after white balance correction. If you are not satisfied with the results, there's a second method you can try as well. Click color at the top left of the software, then activate white balance if it isn't already activated. Then, decrease the temperature slider until the white appears just the way you want it. If you notice a green tone in your image, adjust the tint slider by decreasing it until the white appears just the way you want it. Now we've achieved pure white. This is how it looked before editing and after editing. We've explored two effective methods for correcting yellow casts in your photos using RawTherapee to achieve pure white balance, and you can now see a noticeable improvement in how your whites appear. Stay tuned for more advanced tips and tricks that will transform your photo editing process. Hit subscribe or follow for more in-depth tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!